batch manufacturers within the pharmaceutical and specialty chemical industries are faced with new and complex challenges, more so today than ever before. Speed to market and delivering quality products have always been critical, but now there's a greater stake in how you achieve this and who can do it first. To stay ahead of the competition, manufacturers must be agile and flexible, ultra nimble with equipment selection, and accurate with recipe execution. That's not easy, especially when achieving these goals. Depends heavily on the automation infrastructure and resources in place, and the quality, accuracy, integrity, and accessibility of data and their control system. How can businesses possibly streamline production in the face of so many adversities? Many of the top batch manufacturers in the world have turned to Emerson's DeltaV Distributed Control Systems and DeltaV Batch. DeltaV Batch is a suite of solutions built right into the DeltaV system and enables batch manufacturers the ability to create control strategies using powerful building blocks. Leveraging DeltaV's modular design and common automation building blocks facilitates secure, easy integration and management of information. That means you'll not only have confidence in the integrity of your system and data, but will also reduce software design, implementation, test, validation, and maintenance time. And by having access to an intuitive operator interface and easy-to-use tools, teams across the site and the enterprise can easily access all batch and process information in a single, secure, and integrated environment. This means greater visibility of and access to production and quality data, enabling easy, more accurate tech transfer from the lab through production scale operations. DeltaV is designed to scale up with a process and scale out with your network over time, providing additional capacity online as you continue to control your process. Meaning you're not just future-proofing your batch operations and automation infrastructure, but digitally transforming your business while you're at it. DeltaV, built for batch.